are live. Market update. Hello guys, welcome to today's video, today's live stream. We're going to be taking a look at the crypto market. Bitcoin is having a pullback. Bitcoin is around $29,000 right now. Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the market, is still trading above $2,000. That's good to see. We'll be taking a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency market. Can Bitcoin reclaim $30,000? We're seeing great return to the altcoin market. We have seen altcoin showing us signs of life. We are seeing capital slowly but surely flowing to the altcoin market. Where will the altcoin market head in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we going to see extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market? If we take a look at other news stories happening in the crypto world, should we start selling some of our positions right now? I'm sure a lot of people are feeling the weight of FOMO. Some people are asking, should I buy this coin? Should I buy that coin? We'll take a look at the altcoin market. We'll take a look at some altcoins and where they are heading in the coming days and the coming weeks. And the news everybody has been waiting for, Altseason. I'll be giving you an update on Altseason and what to expect for altcoins. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Guys, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Today, we're having a red day in the cryptocurrency market, even though we're seeing some coins give us big pumps to the upside. We have seen Render token go up by 12.3% in the last 24 hours. Injective, another coin that has been having a very nice time in the last 1 week and the last 1 month, is up in the last 24 hours. Avax also is up 8.8%, but Bitcoin has gone below $30,000. Bitcoin has been pumping, but right now we're slowly but surely seeing capital leave Bitcoin. We're seeing that capital flow into the altcoin market. So will Bitcoin hold $30,000, or as we're dumping right now to gobbling town, will Bitcoin continue going? Because guys, Bitcoin has a very strong support at that $28,000 region. We saw Bitcoin having difficulties around that level. In yesterday's live stream, we talked about how we expect Bitcoin to pump to that $35,000 region, maybe, just maybe, even get to as high as $42,000. But with altcoins, they will be pumping to higher prices right now. We have seen Bitcoin leave altcoins when Bitcoin went for this move from $19,000. The altcoin market didn't pump with Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin leave the altcoin market, rally up 55%. Ethereum was also not pumping as hard as Bitcoin. We saw Ethereum, king of altcoins, in the market chilling. Ethereum right now is still trading above $2,000. Ethereum has started outperforming Bitcoin. And anytime you see that, Altseason, baby. So altcoins are going to be pumping. If you want a review for any of your altcoins, you can drop your thoughts in the comment section in the live chat. At the end of the stream, we are going to check out those altcoins and we're going to do a live review for those altcoins. Ethereum is trading above $2,000. The last time we saw Ethereum hold that $2,000 level was in August of 2022. There's no denial we're in the bear market, and the bear market will see some rallies to the upside. Right now in the bear market, we are seeing signs of a rally to the upside. Let's take a look at the altcoin season index before we start looking at more charts. The altcoin season index shows us where capital is flowing in the cryptocurrency market. Is it capital flowing to the Bitcoin market, or is capital flowing to the altcoin market? And right now, the altcoin season index is telling us capital is flowing from Bitcoin going to the altcoin market. We have not seen us have an alt month since August of 2022. And coincidentally, August of 2022 is when we saw Ethereum trading above $2,000. That's when we saw a lot of altcoins have their last major rally. So right now, we might be heading back to that altcoin month. And right now, we might see altcoins giving us 100, maybe 200% pumps to the upside. But remember, guys, we're still in the bear market. And bear markets are for accumulation, and investing is the only surest way if you want to get those 10, 20, maybe those 50x pump to the upside. If you're a trader, yes, you can play the bounces, but you don't want to overplay your hand in the bear market. Some of these prices we're seeing right now, in the next 1 year, in the next 2 years, a lot of people wish they bought more altcoins. In the bear market is where you get good value for your money. If you're looking for 10x, 20x, even for your first 100x coin, guys, deep in the bear market is where you should accumulate. Now, if you go back to the altcoin season index, you see that anytime we're in the Bitcoin month is when we should be buying altcoins. We saw the altcoin season index stay very low in this Bitcoin month almost throughout the month of April. We have been there. We just stay pumping to higher prices. The last time we saw a very strong sign for us to get altcoins, guys, was in November of 2020. We talked about this in the previous stream. And get what was happening in November of 2020? That was when altcoins were getting ready to pump to higher prices. Ethereum was trading around $700 then. We saw Ethereum rally all the way from $700 going to as high as $4,000. So the altcoin season index is a very important tool. You want to pay attention to the altcoin season index. Now, as Bitcoin has done below $30,000, if we don't hold this $30,000 level, there's always that possibility that we'll see Bitcoin come back to as low as $25,000, and we might still pump to higher prices. Bitcoin coming to as low as $25,000 doesn't spell bad news. It just means maybe we're having a healthy pullback. Remember, guys, for us to pump to higher prices, we have to have some pullbacks at some point in time. Bitcoin price heading under 30K. 5 things to know about Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin faces a key battle for BTC price support to start the week, while market participants stay optimistic about trend continuation. Now, the first thing to know about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin might be dumping when the bear market. Yes, we're happy we're seeing Bitcoin pump to higher prices, but remember, we are still bearish on a larger time frame. We are still getting to accumulate right now Bitcoin in the bear market, guys. Other news stories happening in the crypto world. Tether market cap eyes record high after regaining 65% stablecoin dominance. Tether is the largest stablecoin we have in the cryptocurrency market. Tether's market capitalization is nearly $1 billion away from reaching a new lifetime peak, while rival stablecoins struggle. We have seen BUSD have problems. We have seen USDC also have problems in this bear market. But Tether has been pumping to higher prices. Its market cap is around $80 billion region. We might see it reach a new all-time high if it can pump above $83 billion. And guys, anytime Tether market cap is increasing, it has been a good time for the altcoin market. All coins will be pumping to higher prices. Alt season is coming. You have to get ready. If we take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, Bitcoin dominance is around 46%. Bitcoin dominance got to as high as 49%. But right now, as Bitcoin dominance is dumping, that's a telltale sign that altcoins might be seeing pumps to the upside. Anytime Bitcoin dominance has been dumping in the past, it has always been a good time for altcoins. Take a look at the last time we saw Bitcoin dominance had a significant dump down was in July 2022, and that dump ended in September, and that was the last time we had an alt month. That was the last time we saw majority of altcoins in the market pumping. So right now, as Bitcoin dominance is dumping, right now as Bitcoin is trading, pumping to higher prices, Ethereum pumping to higher prices, all these are signs that alt season's around the corner, and we might be pumping to higher prices very soon. Now, how high are we going to go? Only time will tell. For Bitcoin, we're still eyeing that $35,000 level. This little pullback should not get us discouraged. For us to pump to higher prices, some pullbacks are going to come along the way. And for Ethereum, we're aiming for that $2,400 level. That's where I expect to see Ethereum pumping if we see Bitcoin dominance continue dumping aggressively. Sentiment in the market is greed. There's greed right now in the market. Prices are increasing. Even though it doesn't look like that in the altcoin market, altcoins have not shown that extreme greed, that greed. Bitcoin, a lot of people are foaming right now thinking, should we buy Bitcoin? Should we not buy Bitcoin? Guys, if you're buying Bitcoin at $29,000, it means for you to get 100% of your money, you have to see Bitcoin trading above $58,000. If you're buying Ethereum right now at $2,000, for you to get 100% of your money, Ethereum will have to go above $4,000. And I don't think we might be pumping that high in this bear market rally. So hope will lie in the altcoin market. If we go on a monthly time frame, altcoins are already showing us signs of life. Take a look at this altcoin up 101%, Injective, XRP up 33%. Casper is up 44% on the monthly time frame, and this is just the top 100 cryptocurrencies only. If you go to the top 200 and the top 300, you see a lot of altcoins there have made huge gains in the last 1 month. We're even seeing meme tokens pumping to higher prices, and more altcoins might actually start pumping to higher prices. So hold on for dear life. If Bitcoin dominance continue dumping, maybe even getting to that 42% region, then that might just be a very good sign for the altcoin market. Other news stories happening in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin sparks liquidations as analyst says BTC price may dip 12% more. BTC loses 3% on the day, with the start of Wall Street trading failing to secure BTC price from the loss of $30,000. I still believe this is a temporary pullback, but guys, key levels where Bitcoin should hold if we are to see this rally continue. We want to see that $28,000 level hold. If that $28,000 level doesn't hold, then hopefully $25,000 level will hold. If not, Bitcoin might just be done in this rally. But I still believe if we see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, Bitcoin will not outperform the altcoin market, as altcoins are getting ready to get sent to the moon. We're seeing already green bubbles on daily time frames, on weekly time frames. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, which altcoin do you think will have the most gain in this bear market rally? Which altcoin are you holding, expecting to pump to the moon? There's greed in the market right now. A lot of people are buying altcoins. Which altcoins are you holding? If you take a look at the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, we saw it rise to as high as $1.74 trillion in the bull market. But in this bear market, we have seen it dump aggressively to goblin town. In this bear market, we have seen the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin get to as low as $417 billion. Now, where will the altcoin market head to in the coming days and the coming weeks? We have seen Ethereum pump above $2,000, which has helped the altcoin market get to as high as $660 billion, but we're still trading lower than when we were trading in August of 2022. In August of 2022, we saw the altcoin market get to as high as $704 billion. So guys, think about this. If Bitcoin has gone above August 2022 price, Ethereum has gone above its August 2022 price, logic just says we will expect to see altcoins going above their August 2022 price. So maybe, just maybe, if we see that rally coming to the upside, we should see at least maybe a 10 to 20% pump in the coming days for altcoins. But a lot of altcoins are known to pump aggressively to the upside. We're taking a look at some altcoins like Moonbeam, Gala, Sand, Mana, some altcoins that are very volatile to the upside. Right now, if we see the altcoin market continue pumping to higher prices, these are key levels that we'll be paying attention to. But remember, a majority of this market cap is held by Ethereum. Ethereum is the largest altcoin in the altcoin market. If we see the altcoin market pumping above $700 billion level, that might just be party time. We might be heading straight to that $1 trillion region. But what impact would that have for all other altcoins minus Ethereum? Now, remember, in the market, Ethereum is the king of altcoins in the market. So now let's take a look at the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and excluding Ethereum. So if you're holding any altcoin that is not Bitcoin, that is not Ethereum, you want to pay attention to this chart. Now, this chart is showing us what the altcoin market is doing. It's trading above the $400 billion level. If we see it pumping above its August 2022 price, we should see the altcoin market going up to as high as $450 billion. That might see altcoins pumping to higher prices. Some altcoins are already pumping. We're waiting for the large altcoins to start showing us the way. Guys, on the monthly time frame, take a look at what the altcoin market is doing. FTT token gave us that big pump to the upside when we had news of FTX exchange probably rebooting. XRD has been pumping. Render token also. See, Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the market, has gone up by more than 14% in the last 1 month. So the altcoin market key levels I'll be paying attention to for the altcoin market in the coming days and the coming weeks, we might be able to rally up to as high as the $600 billion level. I'll be expecting to see altcoins in the market giving us 50 or maybe 60% pump to the upside. Tempo of Mercury, me too. I'm a sucker for virgin coins that have not given us that initial pump. Coins like LuxRare, Moonbeam. We'll be taking a look at some of those coins at the end of the stream. Let's take a look at what the total crypto market cap is saying. Total crypto market cap has gotten to as high as the $1.25 trillion level. And guess what, guys? Total crypto market cap might even pump to as high as $1.5 trillion. Right now, the total crypto market cap is facing major resistance around the $1.25 trillion level. But luckily for us, we're above that August 2022 price level. Total crypto market cap has even dumped to as low as $727 billion in this bear market. If we continue pumping to higher prices, key levels where we might see it face more bear market resistance, we might see that happen around the $1.5 billion level. For us to get to that $1.5 billion level, we still have a lot of work to do to the upside. From where we're currently trading, we'll have to see the total crypto market cap pump by around 24% to the upside. And guys, that can happen very quickly. Even though we're seeing the temporary pullback right now, just remember the only way for us to go higher is for us to dump. Yes, we're in the bear market, but we have set our first higher high. That's a very, very positive sign. The last times, other times we have seen altcoins pump to higher prices, we have not seen the market go this high. In this rally, we have seen the total crypto market go from as low as $720 billion. Total crypto market cap has gone up by more than 72%. So right now, this is the biggest pump we have seen since the bear market started, and I believe the pump is not over. Greed is in the market. We might even see extreme greed. This just looks like the same rally we had in 2019. Let's take a look at what Bitcoin was doing in 2019. It looks as if that's the same thing the market is doing right now. In 2019, we had seen Bitcoin dump to gobbling town. Bitcoin had gone from as high as $20,000. Bitcoin came to as low as $3,000. When Bitcoin started that rally, a lot of people were thinking we'll continue dumping, and Bitcoin continued just pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin went from as low as $3,100. Bitcoin got to as high as $13,000. Bitcoin rallied for 191 days, and if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool, you would have seen that Bitcoin rallied to the 0.61 level of the Fibonacci retracement tool. If Bitcoin is going to do that exact thing in this bear market, rallying to the 0.18, if Bitcoin will do that same thing in this bear market, rallying to the $0.618 region, we should see Bitcoin even get to as high as the $48,000 region. So Bitcoin might still have some juice in the tank. We might still see Bitcoin continue pumping to higher prices if Bitcoin will do exactly what it did in 2019. The total crypto market in 2019 rallied also to higher prices. That's why I believe we might see altcoins pumping in the coming days and the coming weeks. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool on the total crypto market cap, we saw it pumping to higher prices. Total crypto market cap rallied from the $91 billion level, getting to the 0.38 level of its Fibonacci retracement tool. Now let's take a look at what the total crypto market cap will be if we do exactly what we did in 2019. If we repeat that same move in 2023, just going off the theories that things in crypto happen in 4-year cycles, we might see the total crypto market cap rally even above $1.5 billion. Rally above $1.5 trillion. We might see the total crypto market cap get to as high as that $1.61 trillion level. Now, this is a very, very important level. If we get there in future, guys, this will be a very smart place to take some profit. But for what we are currently trading right now, that will see us rally up by more than 32%. In total, since the turn of the year, or since the bottom came in this bear market, we would have seen the total crypto market cap go from as low as $720 billion. We would have seen it rally up by more than 122% to the upside. So even though we're having a temporary pullback right now, we're having a red day, guys, just look at the larger time frames. That's the weekly and the monthly. We are seeing we're having green candles. We're having big bubbles to the upside. Altseason is just around the corner, and Altseason is going to come and go very, very quickly. If you take a look at what happened in 2019 through the lens of the altcoin season index, in 2019, that Altseason came very quickly and it didn't last long. It started in May of 2019 and it ended in June of 2019. It lasted for only 30 days. If we see that happening right now, guys, the next 3 weeks is going to be very, very explosive in the cryptocurrency market. Before the 26th of April 2023, how high do you think the markets will go? Things can unravel very, very quickly. In the altcoin market, things can unravel very, very quickly when altcoins start pumping to higher prices. And right now, the crypto unicorn index is telling us we have just 57 projects with a market capitalization of over $1 billion. And guys, this is the highest we have seen. This is the highest number we have seen projects have a market capitalization of over $1 billion since August of 2022, when we had over 11 projects when we had over 59 projects having a market cap of over $1 billion. So as the altcoin market continues seeing huge pumps to the upside, our altcoins continue pumping to higher prices, we might see more altcoins having a market capitalization of over $1 billion, and we might see the crypto unicorn index increase in value. Right now, only 57 projects have that, and that's the reason why we're expecting the altcoin market to pump to higher prices in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Guys, The altcoin season index is telling us it's pumping. The Bitcoin dominance in the market is dumping. So right now we expect altcoins to be pumping, but more importantly, the US dollar currency index is looking very bearish, dumping to lower prices. Now we got to a very crucial level over the weekend for the US dollar currency index, and we saw a big bounce to the upside. But I still believe eventually we will see the US dollar currency index dumping to lower values, which might lead to risk asset pumping to higher values. Risk asset like Bitcoin might just see huge pumps to the upside in the coming days and the coming weeks. If we see the US dollar currency index dumping below 100.72, guys, it might be lights out. We might see Bitcoin even getting to as high as $40,000. Let's take a look at liquidations data in the market in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, over 41,000 traders have been liquidated. In the last 24 hours, the largest liquidation happened on Binance, where one trader was liquidated for over $3.3 million while trying to trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin has led the liquidation stats. Over $41 million worth of Bitcoin have been liquidated from traders. Over $28 million worth of Ethereum have been liquidated from traders. And Dogecoin, Solana, and Arbitrum are leading other liquidation stats. Be careful out there, guys. A lot of people are getting liquidated because too many people are longing the market. If you long the market when the markets have resistance, guys, the market will dump and you will get liquidated, and then the market will start pumping, and you don't want that to happen, guys. If you want any altcoin review, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Drop that altcoin in the live stream. We'll be doing questions and answers at the end of the stream. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to be going on leverage. You don't want to get too greedy in the bear market. In bear markets, the rally to the upside can be very quickly, because in bear markets, you see people shorting the market when the market is pumping. And when the market starts dumping, everybody will start getting scared. You will see them shorting the market and will start pumping. So you want to be careful. The best way to survive the bear market is by going on spots. Now let's take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is up over 2.99% in the last 7 days, trading around $29,000. Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin in the last 7 days. Ethereum is up by 11% in the last 7 days. BNB is up 8%. BNB is trading around $338. We have XRP. XRP was performing better than Bitcoin, altcoins, and many other altcoins, but we have seen XRP stall in its progress. XRP is only up just 0.72% in the last 7 days. Cardano ADA is up 11%. Dogecoin up 8%. Polygon Matic up 5.5%. And Solana is up a whopping 20% in the last 7 days. The signs are there. Altseason is around the corner. The signs are there. We are going to be seeing a temporary relief for altcoins in this bear market. In the last 24 hours, the top gainers and the top losers. In the top gainer session, we have Injective. Injective is up 13.38% in the last 7 days. Render Token, Avalanche, and Loop Rings are in the gainer section. In the loser section, Conflux, Kale, Neo, and Woo Network are in the loser section. Let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Some news stories. Botran Sovereign Investment Arm quietly invests millions in crypto. Doc Holdings and Investment CEO Wajawdeep said in the first statement that the issue is confidential and the matter with BlockFi has already been settled. Guys, early investors and big players are investing heavily in the market. These are the things that usually start a new bull run when we see old players getting washed out of the market. New players come in, big money start buying, and that's how we start seeing higher prices. So right now, accumulate, we're deep in the bear market. All coins have been dumping since 2022. If you take a look at what Bitcoin has been doing, deep in this bear market, we have seen a lot of people fear that Bitcoin might dump to as low as $12,000, but Bitcoin held very strongly at $15,500. There's no guarantees that the bottom is in. Bitcoin might even still come down to that $15,000 level, but just look at this thing logically, guys. Since April of 2021, Bitcoin has been bearish. Bitcoin has been dumping for around 600 days. It would just be fair for us to see Bitcoin pump to the upside for an extended period of time. Bitcoin has basically been pumping for less than 130 days. We have seen this rally go up by only 122 days in 2019. When the relief rally happened for Bitcoin after Bitcoin had dumped by around 365 days, we saw Bitcoin pump to the upside by around 180 days. Bitcoin even pumped for around 200 days to the upside. So all coins will pump as Bitcoin has pumped already, but along the way there will be a lot of doubt. A lot of people will be saying, oh no, we're going to dump to Goblin Town. Right now, Bitcoin has only gone below $30,000 and there's a lot of doubt creeping in people's mind. People are trying to sell their position. Guys, if you want to make money long term in crypto, you will have to be patient. You will have to go through a lot of dumps. You will have to go through a lot of pumps. The way to gain those huge gains in the end is by holding on for dear life. Take a look at what Ethereum did in the previous bear market. Ethereum that is trading around $2,000 right now was trading at a measly $100. But if you have held on to your Ethereum, if you have just believed that the pump was going to come, you would have seen Ethereum rallied up to as high as $4,800. Even right now, you would have been up around $1,900 on your investment. So in cryptocurrency, holding for the long term has always proven to be beneficial. Holding for the long term is always the wise decision. If you look at it in hindsight, just in 2019 January, Ethereum was trading for $100. Even as early as March of 2020, you could still get Ethereum for $100. But right now, it's trading around $2,000 and people are scared. That's just the way the cryptocurrency market works. Crazy if you think about it sometimes. Let's take a look at other news stories happening in the crypto world. China state-affiliated banks onboarding crypto companies in Hong Kong. China banks are opening bank accounts for regulated crypto companies, with several acting as payment layer for crypto platforms. These are the stuffs that start bull market, guys. All this news, when they come out, they look very normal. They look as if they're just normal news, but in hindsight, when the market starts pumping in the next 30 days, in the next 6 weeks, it will always be obvious that $15,500 was probably the bottom for Bitcoin, and we might just see the altcoin market get to as high as we quietly crept our way towards the $1 trillion level. At the top of the bull market, we saw the altcoin market pumping towards $1 trillion and the total crypto market getting to as high as $3 trillion. In this bear market, we dumped to as low as $727 billion. Quietly, as people are doubting the rally, we got to $1 trillion. We have pumped above it. Right now, we're at $1.2 trillion and people are still doubting the rally. You don't want to be among the final people that will buy, because the game we're playing in cryptocurrencies is token versus dollar. We're playing a game where you want to get more dollars with your tokens. So when tokens are down, where coins are down, you buy them. And when they go up in dollar value, you sell them so that you can have more dollars to buy them when they eventually dump back to Goblin Town. It's just a game of chicken and egg. If you want to survive this game, learn how to control your emotions. Other news stories happening in the crypto world. Ether hits 11 months high as post-Shapella withdrawals pass 1 million ETH. Since the Shapella fork had fork on April 12, Ether has seen a price gain of nearly 10%. A lot of people in the market were scared that we might see Ethereum dumping to Goblin Town after that hard fork happened, but Ethereum has just pumped to the highest price we have seen since May of 2022. And even as Bitcoin is dumping, Ethereum is not even dumping as hard as Bitcoin, which is a very positive sign for all coins in the market. Guys, if you see your altcoins pumping to higher prices, it will always be smart to take some profits along the way. Nobody has ever gone broke taking profits. If you want to accumulate more altcoins, you want to have some capital on the side. And the best way to have more capital on the side if you're accumulating is by taking some profits when your altcoins pump. Just believe your altcoins will pump to higher prices. Bitcoin, Ether are like gold, says Cathy Wood, but Ray Dalio is skeptical. Cathy Wood thinks Bitcoin and Ether acting as risk-up assets and as flights to safety for investors amid macro uncertainty. I believe Bitcoin is here to stay. In the investment world, a lot of people are going to have their best assets. Some people believe in gold, some people believe in Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Bitcoin is going to be here for a very long time. As far as somebody on the other end is willing to buy, somebody on the other end is going to be willing to sell. Now, somebody's asking when will altcoin season happen, guys. Altcoin season, nobody knows when to happen. From all indications, we are seeing it's going to happen very soon. We have been stocking Bitcoin months, and after stocking Bitcoin months, in the coming days and the coming weeks, we should see altcoins pumping to higher prices. So in maybe in the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But guys, all these alt seasons happen very quickly. So when you see those profits, you want to take them off the table. You want to control your emotions, because the rallies don't usually last. Anything that makes it pump to higher prices, we also make it dump to Goblin Town at some point in time in the future. Now let's do our altcoin review. We're going to be taking a look at some altcoins. Some people already asked for some altcoin review. We're going to be taking a look at first Moonbeam. If you want to take a look at these altcoins by yourself, you can go to charts.cointrader.pro. Any altcoin you're looking for, the chart is there. I'm taking a look at Moonbeam. Moonbeam is a virgin coin. Now, a virgin coin means a coin that's not gone through Altseason, a coin that's not been pumping when Bitcoin is pumping. And Moonbeam right now might be pumping to higher prices. In the previous video we did about Moonbeam, we talked about key levels where Moonbeam might get to in the coming days and the coming weeks. And guys, that $0.55 level is very, very critical. Moonbeam must rally that high in 2023. If we blast above that $0.55 level, we might just see lights out for Moonbeam. Moonbeam might have huge pumps to the upside. But these are key levels I'm watching out for Moonbeam. If we get to any of these levels, I'll be taking some little profits off the table. Another altcoin that was asked for in the comment section was Band Protocol. Now, Band Protocol has seen huge gains before. And right now, Band Protocol 2 looks as if it's getting ready to send to higher prices. We've seen Band Protocol in November of 2022 give us a pump from the $1 region, getting to as high as $3.5, pumping by 252%. That's how volatile altcoins can be. I'll not be shocked to see Band Protocol in the coming days and in the coming weeks maybe rally back to that $3.3 region, but there's a very big bear market resistance at that level. If Band Protocol gets there and we don't get rejected, then we might just see it for the first time since April of 2022 maybe pump to the $5 region. And that altcoin somebody asked for in the comment section, which other altcoin was asked for in the comment section? Oh, let's take a look at what Solana is doing now. Solana was one of the biggest gainers in the previous bull market, and I believe in the next bull market, Solana will be one of the biggest gainers also. Guys, take a look at what Solana has done in the bull market. Solana went from as low as $0.5. Solana rallied all the way to as high as $250. That's a 5,000%. Oh my God, that's not even a 5,000% pump. That's a 50,000% pump to the upside. Let me say $1,000 invested in Solana should have returned around $500,000. But all coins can be volatile in both direction, and we have seen Solana also done back to Goblin Town. Take a look at what it has done in this bear market. It has lost 96% of its value, and even the recovery phase we've had, we have seen Solana being among the biggest gainers. Right now, Solana from the bottom has bounced by 214%, and the coming days and the coming weeks, we might see Solana even get to as high as $48. 100 Finance loses $7 million in optimism hack. The attacker reportedly manipulated the exchange rate between ERC20 tokens and HT tokens to steal over $7 million from the protocol. Guys, be careful out there. A lot of hacks are going around in the cryptocurrency market. And still on AI, Elon Musk reaffirmed AI potential to destroy civilization. Speaking about artificial intelligence, potential for civilization destruction, Musk says anyone who thinks the risk is zero is an idiot. And AI coins have actually been pumping to higher prices. I believe we'll see Altseason. The proof is in the pudding. Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices. Therefore, believe in the rally, believe in the pumps. We're going to see all coins pumping to higher prices. If you take a look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, also pumping to higher prices. We're just having a temporary dip right now. I expect to see us continue our pump to higher prices tomorrow. But for Ethereum, the $2,400 level, guys, is a region which you pay close attention to. In the coming days and the coming weeks, if you see those profits coming, take some profits off the table, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared, don't get too greedy. Guys, thank you for watching this video. You can check us on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, at Mr. Legend Crypto. You can check out the channel. I drop daily videos on altcoins. If you need an altcoin review, you can drop your thoughts in the comment section. We have videos on Bitcoin, videos on Ethereum. Guys, remember, investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. Invest for the long haul. See you guys in my next video. Bye.